this over here. I feel like I'm gonna have to big old stack, which is cool. Set the box over on the side. Let's see what kind of packaging we have here. I hope this stuff is all in good shape. Possible that it's not getting in the video, but I don't know, so I need to check. Now it looks like it's okay. That was a good idea with the rubber bands. Wow, strong rubber bands. Good Lord. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's one rubber band. That's cool. I had to put my magnifying glasses on so I could see what it says. Here's a 50-foot ribside car. Three-bay center flow hopper with elongated hatches. All looks good so far. Another ribside car. I think there's 5 ribside cars. Another ribside car. This looks like this one's cool. 2-bay ACF center flow covered hopper. Ooh, there's one of the tank cars. Ribside car. One of the single dome tank cars. Another single dome tank car. Another single dome tank car. Another ribside car, 50 foot. I think this is another one. And another ribside tank of cars. Maybe I got 6 of these. 3, 4, 5. 6. I guess I did get 6 of these. Oh yeah, and I have the elongated hopper that I already have. And then the 3 tankers. And then the white ACF center flow covered hopper. Wow, I thought I saw one of the jewel cases cracked in the picture, but I don't. Oh, here it is. I don't know if it's really cracked. Yeah, it's cracked a little bit, but that's nothing. Nowhere near as bad as I thought I was. Wow, it all looks good so far. We'll have to put it on the track. Microtrains, all microtrains. Oh, this ought to be awesome. Everything looks good so far. not bad for 11 pieces of rolling stock, about $18 a piece. These and these were way more than $18 buying them individually, and then you had to pay shipping for each, seller. I think this was like somewhere around 22 to 25, depending. I think I got a good deal.